Are you tired of hoarding old clothes that you do not wear anymore? Do you believe in promoting sustainable fashion? Are you always on the lookout for a side hustle that pays? Good. This is just the right alternative career idea for you. Starting your business of second-hand clothes, also called a thrift store. In this video, we will explore the entire journey of this business, how to initiate, what steps to be taken for effective launch, cost factor involved, profit or earning potential. So if you are someone who's looking forward to starting your business of second-hand clothes or thrift store, part-time or full-time, from your backyard or home, and to grow it with time, here how it has to be done. Step number 1, charity begins at home. So start selling your own second-hand clothes or that of your family members and friends. For that, you need to collect clothes, mark defects and make a note of it along with its measurements. Segregate them into different categories to organize your process effectively. You might want to wash certain pieces and iron them for better presentability, or just work out on certain defects for better value on your products. Step 2. Photograph the garments that you intend to sell against clean and bright backgrounds. You can also use yourself or your family members and even friends as models to wear those clothes and click the pictures of the same. But make sure whoever wears these clothes as models, be it your family members, yourself or even your friends, he or she has to be very comfortable with the camera. These pictures give a very clear idea to people who intend to buy these clothes from you about the fitting and dimensions of these clothing. And once your business has started and you want to scale business further up, you can also hire services of some professional models. The third step towards the process of starting your business is setting up your payment modes. Whether you want both online or offline payments or just the online ones, you need to establish the method of payment. In case you intend to have only the online payment method, it is always better to have multiple payment gateways for your customers. Remember, the process has to be smooth and simple for your customer. Now comes the creative part with step number 4. Think of your store name or a brand name and create a page on Instagram and Facebook. This is also the most important step of your online business. A lot of thrift stores or second-hand garment stores are thriving on these social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook. Remember to establish a unique identity of your brand, something that stands out to your followers or prospective customers. Step number 5. Start packing the orders as you get order requests, preferably with recycled or upcycled paper to keep it sustainable throughout. It is highly advisable to add a handwritten note in each of the packages. This will create a very strong and personal connect between you and your customers. Step number 6. Partner with a courier service. Ship clothes as and when you receive payments. Once a parcel is shipped, make sure that you share the tracking numbers and other details of the package so that they're very clear about the entire process of their order getting packaged and on the way to them. Also, your customers don't keep bugging you about the order. So these are simple steps that you can start off with and initiate your small business of second-hand clothes. Make sure your customers are always informed about the quality, quantity and other dimensions of your clothes. Be absolutely transparent and do not hide anything from them. This will create a lot of trust and credibility for your business, which is of utmost importance for your business in long term. Well, the next question that comes to mind is, how much should I be investing in this business? And what is the earning potential? Before we move forward, you may consider subscribing to this channel if the subjects of business management, marketing and strategy are of interest to you. Our sole objective of this channel is to help you create more success and money by bringing to you the latest updates on business opportunities and management. So please do subscribe. Now let me answer these two questions. How much do I need to invest and what is the earning potential? While the business does not require a lot of seed money to begin with, you need a basic amount to source the products at the beginning. You will need to invest in laundry and dry cleaning services at a discounted price. And with passage of time, you can keep negotiating with laundry and dry cleaning services provider. With scaling up of your business, his business also gets scaled up. So periodically keep negotiating for better price. Then you will spend on packaging and branding material. Some budget to promote your profile on social media. A professional freelance photographer on assignment basis. Freelance graphic designer on assignment basis. If you yourself are good at taking aesthetic pictures and creating good designs, then you may do it yourself and avoid extra costing of your business. Now to answer the second question, how much can one earn out of this business? Or what is the earning potential? You can decide on your profit margins after calculating the entire cost of all the items as I mentioned previously in this video, right from packaging to courier to designing to photographer and all the other elements that I've shared with you earlier in this video. However, it is strongly advised to have a markup of about 20%, which is a good profit margin to start off with. And remember, this is a net profit margin. Remember remember, initially the business will be very slow, but as you keep advertising and circulating on social media and talking to your friends, family, and other consumers and your followers on the social media, the pace will pick up. And once the momentum is created, rupees 10,000 a month is not a big amount to be earned. And with your sincere effort and hard work, a lakh of rupees a month is not difficult to reach within first 16 to 17 months. I hope you have subscribed to this channel by now. So go on and create your own thrift store and create your second-hand clothes business and become one of the best online selling outlets. Be inspired, keep building.